I recommend strongly to Congress that we work together to come up with a more comprehensive law on juvenile justice. I will have to work with them. I think the age is not important, but cognizance and intent are the most important factors. In this case, yung 14 years old, alam niya na hindi siya mata-charge. Kaya siya ang pumutok ng marami. Siya ang nakabaril ng marami. And, ayon sa batas, malilibre siya sa ginawa niya. So there must be change. Ang liability lang ay malversation. Dahil police property ginamit ng iba, not for the intended use. Ayun ang infirmity ng batas. Walang concomitant responsibility ang gun owner kung gamitin ng iba ang baril nila para pumatay ng tao. Where, I believe, dapat kung may baril ka, naka-lock and key at ikaw ang sole responsible person basta naka-lisensya sa inyong baril.